What if I told you that your salary is the blue pill that they hand to you every month? Swallow it, smile, stay broke, and keep working until you die. But what if there's a money pill no one talks about? The one that actually snaps you out of financial hypnosis? The one that actually makes you see that saving in a low interest account is actually financial quicksand? If you're ready to take the red pill, sit tight. But let me warn you, once I show you this, you can't unsee it. And if you enjoy this content, consider supporting the channel via Buy Me Coffee, link below. And if you're also tired of staying broke while pretending that you're doing everything right, grab my chaos-proof monthly system, also linked below. It's not a notebook, it's a survival gear. Stay with me. Hi, I'm Miss Muithathi and welcome back to my channel. Now, let's break it down like Neo in the Matrix. What is the blue pill life? This is where you work your job, you save in the bank, maybe buy government bonds, wait 40 years, and ta-da! You retire broke, sick, and wondering what happened to your prime. Sounds familiar? That, my dear, is not stability. That is sedation. Now, the red pill. This is where you question everything. This is where you learn money isn't real, but a system. This is where you realize inflation is that sneaky thief stealing your savings at night. And suddenly, you see that maybe crypto, or maybe gold, maybe a side hustle, or digital products, maybe those things are the weapons that nobody told you about. But here's the kicker. Most people who think they are red pilling themselves, they are actually swallowing the blue pill with red glitter on it. You see it every day. Somebody says, invest in bonds, they are safe. You say safe. Safe for who? Safe for the bank charging you fees while inflation eats your returns? That's the mimicry trap. The mimicry trap is when you copy what your parents, friends, or co-workers are doing without realizing that they are financially sedated. You see, blue pill strategies are very seductive because they look responsible. They look respectable. They make you look like you're responsible. But question is, responsible to who? Of course, to the system, not yourself. But we're not ready to talk about that, are we? And here's the truth. You see, responsibility, it has never made anyone rich. All it keeps doing is chucking money out of your pockets. It is what it is. Call a spade, not a big spoon. The red pill now is violent. It wakes you up in the middle of the night like, wait a minute. I've been saving for 10 years and I have nothing to show for it but a fridge loan. What is this? Now that's the red pill. Questioning everything. When you find yourself asking such things, that's the red pill awakening. Red pill investors don't just invest. They study, they hunt, they build, they diversify into assets that spit out income. They use chaos as an opportunity. Well, when you see chaos, you're running. For them, that's opportunity. They don't trust the government to save their retirement. Don't shoot the messenger, shoot the message. Okay? That is true. And here is the part that they don't tell you. The red pill is not sexy. It's not as good looking as the blue pill. It's lonely. Most of the times you'll sound crazy. To say this guy is mad. Where did you get that idea from? You'll be called reckless. But guess what? Broke people always think that discipline looks like recklessness. Okay? So if you think discipline looks like being reckless, question yourself. Okay? Think about that. Anyway, there's one thing that's more dangerous than being broke, and that is thinking that you're woke when you're not. It's even so difficult to even deal with such people. Money is not just numbers. It's a script. The red pill is a script. The blue pill is a script. The blue pill script says, be grateful, don't question, stay safe. The red pill, on the other hand, says, the script for the red pill, be sovereign, question everything, and while at it, build leverage. But in all of that, just know there's a war, okay? Every paycheck, every debit alert, every bill, that's them forcing the blue pill down your throat. And baby, you don't even realize when you're swallowing it. You just realize it's in your stomach. Your boss is Morpheus. But instead of offering you a choice, he just says, here's your salary. Don't ask questions. Or you haven't seen places or had places where when you ask questions, you're termed as difficult. Don't allow people shrink you. But at the end of the day, we don't force people to do whatever they do. You do you. You do what's best for you. Problem is, most people obey. They just obey. Here's your salary. Here's your money. Don't ask questions. Be content. It's sad, but true. But you're here. You're watching this far. Which means you're already suspicious. That's a good thing, because it means you're becoming dangerous. Or you're already dangerous. Okay? Either is a good thing. So here it is. No Hollywood, no metaphors, just me and you. Every month, you take one of these pills, whether you like it or not. You take one of these pills. You either do nothing different and stay in the system, or you break it. You learn, you invest, you hustle, you start building streams of income that actually make your salary look like pocket change. Okay? And as I said, the choice is 100% yours to make. But let me be very clear. The red pill is not free. You know, there's plenty of you people out there who like free stuff. Okay, the earlier you stop expecting free things from people, from anyone, the better for you. Especially if it's something that's meant to build you or grow you, you have to pay for it one way or another. Stop expecting free things. There's nothing free in this world. You'll pay for it one way or another. The earlier you come to terms with that, the better for you. Back to the red pill. Okay? The red pill is not free. You'll pay in sweat, in risk, and discipline. People will question what you're doing. You'll get to moments where you're even questioning yourself. Okay? But the price of the blue pill, it's your life. And for me, I find that too expensive of a price to pay. So you make a choice. And if you're actually ready to live the red pill way, not just hashtag it, then stop scrolling financial TikToks and start building your systems. That's why I created the Chaos Proof Monthly System. You can find it in the links below. Because if your money is not organized, my dear, your life isn't. And that's on period. If you want more savage breakdowns like this, subscribe and share this video with that one friend of yours who actually thinks a savings account is a retirement plan. Because it's not. Okay? At the end of the day, your money pill is waiting. Red or blue? What's it gonna be? I'm Miss Muithathi, and I'll see you in my next video.